We want to know how to use Buddy AI daily in order to get rewards. So if you are consistent with learning Buddy AI, I'm going to show you how you can use it in different ways so it doesn't get boring, as well as you getting free and exclusive rewards. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Buddy AI application, and here on the left side you should be seeing this board right here, or the gifts. This happens when you just play along mostly. So how you can do it is by clearing out levels. So on the bottom right side you should be seeing this rocket icon right there. You can just simply select that and select any level that you want. So I'm just going to select this level, and you can just simply complete them and get gifts. So you need to do this consistently without skipping. Next is on the bottom you can see this navigation bar. You can just simply select any one of these three as well, either eating, sleeping, and also changing outfits or unlocking them, so which should give you a lot of bonuses. So make sure you do it consistently daily, and it should give you a proper gifts and outfit. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.